Texas's restrictive new abortion law will remain in place for now. The U.S. Supreme Court considered procedural questions about the law today, not the substance of the law itself. It allows private citizens to sue anyone who, quote, aids and abets in an abortion after cardiac activity is detected in the womb, which can occur as early as 6 weeks into pregnancy. NewsNation's Maggie Glenn joins us now from the Capitol with more. Maggie.
Hey there, that's right. The Supreme Court heard arguments from both providers and the Department of Justice a month ago, trying to stop the law altogether. But the justices today ultimately decided to dismiss the federal government's case altogether and allow the provider's case to continue, but with some limitations. That's going to keep clinics here in Texas from offering most abortions as the lawsuit proceeds. The court's decision allows Whole Woman's Health and other abortion providers to proceed their case in the lower court, but limits who they're able to sue. They were originally trying to sue multiple different state officials, including the Texas Attorney General, but they will now only be able to sue Texas medical licensing officials. Texas Right to Life considers that a win because the law isn't enforced by state officials. The way it's written, it's enforced by private citizens. And even after a lower court here in Texas makes its decision, the law is expected to end up back in the Supreme Court within the next few months.
So, Maggie, does this ruling have an impact on other abortion laws across the U.S., like the recent case in Mississippi?
So this case doesn't affect that law, but the decision that the Supreme Court makes on the Mississippi law could have an impact on SB 8 down the road, because if the justices decide to uphold the Mississippi law, that would overturn Roe versus Wade, which would give SB 8 here in Texas a stronger standing. And also, separate from SB 8, which is, again, the Texas law they decided on today, we also have a law here, a trigger law, that if Roe v. Wade is overturned, would ban all abortions in the state. So the Mississippi law will have a huge impact on our laws here in Texas.
Very big implications. Maggie, thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click on the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.